Welcome to the Magic Minute from the Magic Travel Guy. Today we head to Fantasyland at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom for Under the Sea Journey of the Little Mermaid. You'll board a clamshell and become part of Ariel's world on a musical adventure, awash with scenes from the animated classic. Guests are in for a Song-Filled Shell-abration as they revisit the classic tale of how one lucky little mermaid found true love and legs. Your underwater adventure takes you below the waves on a tour of Ariel's gadget-filled grotto. Immersive special effects and hand-drawn animation sequences recreate each unforgettable scene. Watch Sebastian the crab conduct every singing, dancing fish in the sea, skulk past a sinister eel-infested lair, and then cheer as Prince Eric kisses the girl. Spot Ariel's friends Flounder and Scuttle, her father King Triton, and Ursula the Sea Witch, who looms 7.5 feet tall and 12 feet wide. Finally emerge from the ocean's depths in time to celebrate Ariel's happily ever after in a spectacular fairy tale finale. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.